Every single dollar in your wallet could either be a loyal employee working for your financial freedom or a lazy worker secretly stealing years of your life. Here's the shocking truth. Most people unknowingly fire their dollars every day. They send them out for short-term pleasures, and those dollars never return. But the rich? They treat each dollar like a trained employee sent out on a mission to bring back more dollars. So the question is, are your dollars working for you, or are they quietly working against you? Do you treat money as a tool, or do you treat it as something that slips away the moment it comes in? Why is it that some people with average salaries build empires while others with six-figure incomes stay broke? The truth is, most people make one critical mistake. They see money as something to spend, not something to manage, train, and deploy like a workforce. And that mindset alone keeps them trapped in financial stress. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how the rich treat every single dollar like an employee, how they recruit it, train it, and multiply it. You'll learn the frameworks, the hidden strategies, and the mindset shifts that can completely change your relationship with money. I'll give you actionable steps to start today, even if you have only $100 in your account. If you're hungry for success and eager to learn, hit that subscribe button. We're here to share the secrets and strategies to accelerate your journey. Let's get started. Number 1. The job interview for every dollar. Imagine this. You're the CEO of your life. Every dollar that enters your account is like a candidate walking into an interview room. But here's the twist. Most people don't even bother to interview their dollars. They just hire them blindly and then wonder why they're broke. Think about your last $10. Did you question it? Did you ask, where should I assign you so you bring value back to me? Or did you let it go out for overpriced coffee, never to return? The rich ask, if I deploy this dollar, will it come back with a friend? If the answer is no, they hold it back. That's the level of discipline. So here's the challenge for you. Before spending, ask, if this dollar were an employee, would I hire it for this job? If not, save it, invest it, or reassign it. But what happens when those dollars are not just sitting idle in savings, but actually trained to multiply? That's the secret we're uncovering next. Number 2, training dollars for promotion. Here's a perspective most people miss. Wealthy individuals don't let their dollars stay entry-level workers. They promote them into higher-paying roles. Let's take $100. A regular person might let that $100 work as a cashier, buying groceries or paying a bill. But a wealthy person sends that $100 into training, an index fund, a dividend stock, or a small side business. Suddenly, that $100 starts producing $5, $10, or even $20 annually without further effort. That's a promotion. A dollar invested at an 8% annual return doubles roughly every 9 years, thanks to compound interest. So that $100 could turn into $200, $400, $800, and beyond, all while you sleep. Would you keep an employee at the same desk for 40 years without giving them growth opportunities? Of course not. So why do we let our dollars remain stagnant? But here's the twist. Promoting dollars requires patience and delayed gratification, something society doesn't teach us. Most people fire their best employees early by cashing them out for instant pleasure. And this brings us to the next secret. The rich don't just hire and promote dollars, they assign them specialized job roles. Number 3, every dollar has a job description. In corporate life, you don't tell every employee to do the same thing. Some are in marketing, some in sales, some in R&D. The wealthy apply the same principle to money. $1's job might be to protect your future through insurance. Another's job is to generate passive income via dividend stocks. Another's job might be to fuel growth in real estate. Together, they form a well-structured financial team. The average person, they have their dollars doing random odd jobs with no system, like a company where employees wander around aimlessly. That's financial chaos. Build a money org chart. Assign percentages of every paycheck. Say 20% to investments, 10% to emergency funds, 5% to learning, and so on. Suddenly, your dollars stop being random workers and start becoming a coordinated team. But let me warn you, if you don't monitor your employees, they'll slack. Which brings us to the next point. Number 4, quarterly performance reviews for your dollars. Corporations don't just assign jobs, they check performance. The wealthy do this with money. They sit down quarterly and ask, did my dollars produce results? Did my investments grow? Did my expenses align with my vision? Most people are afraid to even look at their bank statements because it reminds them of mistakes. but ignoring it is like a CEO never checking company accounts. Eventually, the company collapses. People who regularly track their expenses and investments accumulate 2 to 3 times more wealth than those who don't. Why? Because what gets measured gets managed. So, hold quarterly board meetings with your money. Review your portfolio, check your spending, and reassign dollars if they're underperforming. Number 5. Dollars hiring dollars. Here's where the wealthy play a different game. They don't just work for money, they let money work for them, and then let money hire more money. For example, you invest $1,000 in a dividend stock yielding 5%. That $1,000 employee generates $50. You reinvest it. Now you've hired more dollars, which produce even more next year. Over time, the cycle snowballs into a powerful army of money workers. Think about it. The average person spends $300 a month on eating out. If even half of that was redirected into reinvested dividend stocks, in 20 years, that could grow to over $150,000. That's not imagination, it's math. So here's the question. Are your dollars just clocking in once and leaving, or are they hiring others to build you an empire? And if you think this is powerful, wait until you hear how the rich fire lazy employees. Yes, they cut expenses mercilessly. Number 6, firing the lazy employees. Every company has underperformers, and so does your wallet. That $30 subscription you don't use, that's a lazy employee draining your company. The rich are ruthless here. They cut costs not because they're stingy, but because they know every dollar wasted could have been a productive employee elsewhere. In Japan, people follow the concept of kaizen, continuous improvement even in money. They eliminate waste daily. The wealthy adopt the same principle. Eliminating just $100 of unnecessary monthly expenses can translate to nearly $150,000 in savings over 20 years when invested. That's the price of one lazy employee. So ask yourself, which dollar in your team isn't pulling its weight? Fire it today. Number 7, cross-training your dollars. Smart CEOs know that if an employee can handle multiple tasks, they're more valuable. The rich apply this by diversifying investments. Let me explain this by example. $1 might be working in real estate, but the rent it earns gets invested in ETFs. Now that same dollar is working 2 jobs, real estate and stock market growth. This is where portfolio diversification comes in. Mutual funds, REITs, index funds, dividend stocks, they're like departments in your financial company. If one department struggles, the others keep things stable. Contrast this with people who put all their money into one job, like keeping it all in a savings account or gambling it all on one stock. That's like running a company with only one client. Dangerous. So, how can you start cross-training your dollars? That's where financial literacy becomes your ultimate hiring manager. Number 8, education, the HR department for your money. Here's the truth most people ignore. You are the HR manager of your financial company. If you don't train yourself, you won't know how to hire, train, or manage your money employees. The wealthy dedicate time and dollars to learning, books, courses, financial analysis, mentorships. They know that one new strategy can unlock thousands of dollars in returns. People who invest in financial education are 3 times more likely to build lasting wealth. Why? Because they make smarter hiring decisions for their dollars. So here's a personal question. When was the last time you invested in learning about ETFs, REITs, or options trading? If your answer is never, that's like running a business with 0 HR department. No wonder employees are leaving. You are the CEO of your life. Your dollars are your employees. Interview them, train them, promote them, assign them job roles, review their performance. Because when you treat your dollars like employees, they stop being pieces of paper and start being soldiers on a mission. And their mission? To buy back your freedom, your time, and your future. In every video, I try to discuss and address the factors that surely improve the chances of your success. If you enjoyed this also, subscribe the channel, like and share the wealthy knowledge to your loved ones. Now, if you want to know classic money moves to get wealthy, then watch this video. I'll see you there.